On Friday, an ailing man collapsed and died at the side of the road in Murang'a. His death may have elicited little reaction, were it not for the fact that he is reported to have bled from his nostrils and mouth. This would serve to spark fears of an Ebola outbreak, one that local health officials moved fast to dispel.
We found a treatment sheet in his pocket, and the treatment notes indicated that he had been attended to at Portrees Hospital, Mombasa. He was treated as a suspect case of TB.
This would be the third time in the week since Uganda declared an outbreak of Ebola in Kibale district that Kenya registered an Ebola scare. The first case was registered in Siaya, where a man was admitted after exhibiting symptoms similar to those of Ebola. Days later, he was given a clean bill of health.
Hiyo ya Siaya tuligundua ya kwamba huyo mtu alikuwa amekula nyama ambayo ilikuwa poisonous.
The second suspected Ebola patient was admitted to the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret. The patient, a young man of 20, had visited South Sudan and returned through Uganda. Tests would show that he was not carrying the deadly virus either.
Let me assure all Kenyans that there is no Ebola in Kenya.
Symptoms of Ebola include high fever, diarrhea, muscle aches, a running nose and bleeding from body orifices. However, in the current outbreak, patients often do not bleed. The Ministry of Public Health advises that patients consult a doctor when faced with these symptoms. It, however, goes on to say that there should be little cause for anxiety in the country.
The Ebola outbreak has been contained in Western Uganda. Therefore, for one to qualify as a suspected candidate, one has to have traveled to Western Uganda or been in contact with a person who has traveled to Western Uganda and more specifically, Kibale district.
This is why persons coming in from Uganda are now required to fill in forms at the border, specifying which part of Uganda they visited. At least 16 people have died in Uganda following the outbreak. However, the Kenyan government has warned against panic as the country has not registered any confirmed cases of Ebola yet. Wilkis Anyabwa, KTN, Saturday Night.